In this video, I'll show you how to install HD effects and remastered textures mod in NFS Most Wanted 2012. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the HD effects and select WinRAR and select to open with WinRAR. Close stuff here and right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing any mods, backup where Need for Speed Most Wanted. Right click copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the folder. Open the HD effects, drag and drop these two files inside the game folder. Once you're done, go back, open the remastered textures, and open this text document and copy this download link and paste it in Chrome to download this retexture mod. Once this download done, select this folder icon, right click on the file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and BNTL. Open this Hawaii in game folder. You need to drop the file in Hawaii folder, drag and drop inside, replace the file in the destination, and now you can launch the game. I show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.